हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम समीक्षा है और मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ थिंग्स दैट यू शुड बाय बिफोर यू स्टार्ट एमबीबीएस। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मैंने तुम लोगों को बहुत मिस किया यार, बट लिटरली घर की सिचुएशन कुछ अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए मैं फिल्म नहीं कर पाई। नॉट गिवन एन एक्सक्यूज, ओके। एक्चुअली हैपन दैट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन माई ग्रैंडपा passed away, and on the same exact day I lost my phone also. So it was a mess, okay. And all the rituals happen, exam happen, everything. Anyways, but I got my dad's phone to film this video, which is thankful. Thank you. And yeah, now let's begin with the video. So first of all, I have actually divided the whole thing into like 8 points. So the first point is study materials. For study materials, I would say if you are a person who are like, I don't know, because mostly people are like not so used to of digital stuff. So तुम लोग को शिफ्ट होने को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि तुम पहले बुक से पढ़ते थे, अभी तुम्हें टैब से पढ़ना है. So it will literally take a lot of time, but you know, you will get used to it. That's what I could say probably to you. But it would take time. Adaptability नाम की एक भी चीज़ होती है, so you would take time. But if that's the thing, you can have books if you want, you can have study material like tablet if you want, and it depends on so many things. First, study material के लिए, anatomy के लिए, I would say I actually opt for BDC, but I would prefer, if I had another chance, to give first year, which should not be a case. Like अगर मैं एक साल पीछे होती और मुझे मेरे फ्यूचर like past self को कुछ बताना होता कि कौन सा book लो करके, I would definitely ask her to buy Vishram Singh, or else just go directly from the day one to study Vishram Singh, so that I'm used to the language. Because when I started studying BDC is good, I wouldn't lie, it's particularly very much standard book for anatomy, but at the end of the day what happens is Vishram Singh, something that which is like really exam based, it won't give you extra, I won't say like it's giving less knowledge, but I would rather say that whatever it's giving quite well enough, and which is also good. मतलब तुम्हें पॉइंट्स दिए जा रहे हैं, सिंपल डायग्राम्स दिए जा रहे हैं, तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए समझने के लिए. सो दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई वुड से इज लाइक गुड थिंग अबाउट विश्राम सिंह. सो अगर मैं अपने पास सेल को जाके बता सकती हूँ कि मुझे कौन सी बुक लेनी चाहिए, सो आई वुड से एनाटमी की विश्राम सिंह. Another thing, physiology के लिए I would prefer Guyton, because Guyton is like ये curious thing है, ये आपको पता है क्या होता है, and at the same time बोल के ये सब करता है, and it's so amazing, right? And then you're like, oh my god, yes, it's so amazing. That's the wholesome vibes of Guyton, I would say. That's why I love Guyton so much. We can also refer J.K. Par, it's an Indian author wala book. So biochemistry we have 2 books, which one is Satyanarayana and another is Vasudevan. Vasudevan is quite field theory book, conceptual book, like it's like lots of things are given. हमें कॉलेज में S.K. गुप्ता बोला गया था, which was not in the market very well known, but it is very nice. It's really nice, guys. If you are able to read it somewhere, go and read it, like at least 1-2 chapters introduction के, possibly biochemistry. You can give it a try. अगर तुम्हें अच्छा लगा तो you can actually use S.K. Gupta. Another thing is, second topic is study like still stationary stuff, what you should have, what you should opt for. अभी तुम्हारे पास iPad है, tablet है, तुम्हें mostly किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, but I would say preferably just go for like have like 4 color वाला pen, you know, that वो जाड़ा वाला pen रहता है जिसमें 4 colors होते हैं, that वाला pen, the black, blue, red and green, yeah, ये 4 color के pen. दैट क्योंकि तुम्हें 4 अलग अलग पेन से अच्छा हुआ एक पेन तुम लेके तुम फटाफट बोल सकते हो वैसा. एंड अनदर नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू हैव, सो गेट योरसेल्फ लाइक अ स्पाइरल बुक, because it's first of all easier to fold, so you can actually write a lot of stuff, and yeah, and it's like it's good. For my basic preference, I would recommend a spiral book over a normal ऐसा binded वाला book. That's my preference. Another thing is highlighters. If you like to highlight stuff, then highlighters, because we have 2 group of people who like highlighters but are like बुक को क्यों गंदा करना. So okay, we have 2 people's highlighters, so if you want then you can have it. Lab supplies. Amazon पे you get dissection kit for your lab supplies. Basically opt I guess something 500 के आसपास वो लोग रेंज करता है, and you should get that only. And अगर you are someone who likes to do those cutting thing, dissecting thing in dissection hall, you may need more blades. You can get that from a surgical place near you. And yeah, that's the simple thing. Like वो 500 की एक किट आती है, वो तुमको पूरा साल चलने वाली है. Lab coat, they will give you like college, every college gives a lab coat, but I would prefer you to have like a spare lab coat for dissection table, क्योंकि like the torso part तुम्हारा गंदा हो जाता है कभी कभार, because you have to sometimes like ऐसे ऐसे तुम्हें कट करना पड़ता है, and then ख़राब हो जाएगा तुम्हारा प्यारा कोट जो तुमको next 5 years के लिए काम चलाना था, तुम्हारा पहले ही ख़राब हो गया. Don't forget gloves. Gloves is like a major part. The gloves that I used, let me see if I have it right now with me. I had was this Clean Guard Maximum Protection Nitrile gloves, powder free examination gloves. I would prefer you having this nitrile gloves, which is powder free. First of all, it's powder free, which is nice because पाउडर आने पे मुझे पसंद नहीं. सो इफ़ यू लाइक अ पाउडर, लाइक पाउडर इज़ वॉट बेसिकली यू वॉन्ट स्वेट, उतना काम करता है पाउडर. दिस नाइट्राइल ग्लव्स इज़ लाइक, इसका कलर भी कितना अच्छा है. आई लाइक द कलर एंड इट लुक्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एवरी अदर पर्सन दैट आई हैव. लाइक people having gloves and my gloves are very different from their gloves. That's all. Now people have like stethoscope first year से ले सकते हैं या नहीं. Stethoscope फर्स्ट ईयर से ये स्टेथोस्कोप चाहिए आपको? नहीं, आपको स्टेथोस्कोप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी फर्स्ट ईयर में. सेकेंड ईयर में पड़ सकती है. और मैं सच्ची बात बोलूँ ना, 500 वाली स्टेथोस्कोप शायद आती है. हाँ, 500 के अंदर वाली स्टेथोस्कोप आती है, उससे काम तुम्हारा चल जाएगा. तुम्हें एक्चुअली लेटमैन का स्टेथोस्कोप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तुम्हें चाहिए तुम ले सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट आई एम सेइंग gadgets and techs, the most important part of this video. There is like 2 apps like Medscape and UpToDate. I have heard from Dr. Aditya Gupta कि उनके कॉलेज में I guess UpToDate is like free or something, or they have some partnership. AIMS Delhi has some partnership with like UpToDate, but I'm not sure like what exactly it is because I've never used it. Gadgets, फ़ोन से भी काम चल रहा है लोगों का, जिसके पास बुक्स है बट जिसके पास बुक्स नहीं है एंड दे आर प्रेफरिंग टैबलेट्स. आई वुड से कि येस यू वुड, दैट्स द ओनली गैजेट टेक दैट यू रिक्वायर्ड. दैट्स इट. एंड इफ यू वांट अनदर वीडियो अपॉन which one is better, comment me down because I will give you like few options or the categories that you should look after if you want to get yourself, and you're like kind of confused that if you want to get a tablet or you should get yourself a book. So yes, another thing which I guess you know everybody, personal health. I don't know मैंने क्यों ऐड किया, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था बट मुझे बोला गया था. So I would basically add this thing. मेरे कॉलेज में तो बोला गया था. First of all, water bottle. तुम 9 से 5 बजे तक कॉलेज में रहने वाले हो, तुम वाटर बॉटल के बगैर नहीं जी सकते. सो दैट्स वाई वाटर बॉटल. टिफ़िन, क्योंकि ब्रेक तो रहता ही है, और अगर तुम हॉस्टलाइट नहीं हो एंड डे स्कॉलर हो, टिफ़िन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, वाटर बॉटल की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. सो दीज 2 थिंग्स. अनदर वन वॉज शूज़. दे सेड कि शूज़ इज़ वेरी कंपल्सरी एंड यू शुड नॉट वेयर एनी स्लीपर्स. हमें बोला गया था स्लीपर्स नहीं पहनने को एंड शूज़ पहनने को. Because biochemistry के अंदर you might pour acid on your shoes. So yeah, it was the only thing. Another was my personal preference is get yourself glasses. And where is my glasses? I don't know. I don't have it right now with me. But yes, blue light glasses because तुम्हारे पास टैब होगा, तुम्हें ब्लू लाइट, लाइक तुम हमेशा चीज़ों पे रहोगे. So you need a blue light glasses because you would get a like headache and your eyes will be like very bad feeling. like feeling bad. Your eyes will be feeling bad. Wow. Anyways, backpack. A very simple necessity. A heavy duty backpack if you're a day scholar and you chose to get yourself books, because books are quite heavy. You would need a heavy duty backpack. And yes, it should be durable. तुम हर साल नया बैग तो लोगे नहीं, लोगे तो भी तुम्हारी मर्जी. Skills. I think these are the most important 2 skills that you need in at least first year MBBS is time management and emotional regulation, like emotion regulation. तुम इन दोनों की importance जानते हो, मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Another is skeleton. I have skeleton. Wait, I'll show you. Oh, the skeleton that I have. I have like, wow, bunch of it. खुलेगा कहाँ से? Like this. So this is the skeleton that I have. ये इतना मैं बोलूँगी, ये इतना पूरा नहीं है. So I would say अगर तुम ऐसे person हो, like it depends. If you want a whole skeleton, like paired skeleton, so it would cost you around like 1,000, like 10,000 के आसपास. Unpaired 5,000 के आसपास mostly. I don't know. This is artificial by the way. Real महंगे आते हैं. And I have heard मुंबई में I guess केम हॉस्पिटल मेडिकल स्कूल के आसपास ही है. ओरिजिनल if you want. So basically me and my friends we divided the books like this whole skeleton. So ये पूरा skeleton नहीं है, half part उसके पास है, half मेरे पास है. So that's all for the skeleton, but it's mostly like skeleton is important. Yes, it is important because we have a different like bone based question in like practical viva ke time pe, which is very very important. So yes, you would need a skeleton. You can get one whole skeleton for your own self, paired one. You can get unpaired one if you want, and you can distribute between 2 people, 3 people, anyhow you want. But the thing is, while you study bones, you have to sit together, and I would not really say you to get skeleton and get it for your own self. Don't get it for like even distribution. 2 people में मत ही करो, अकेले ले लो. That's all. And I guess I covered almost all the part. So any video that you would prefer कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए बनाऊँ, you can also drop it down in the comment section. I would surely make it. Goodbye and all the best. Love you and hope you have a great first year.